Hello and welcome. Today we are testing one prompt and five different image generation tools. So first one is Adobe Firefly, Meta AI, Google Gemini, ChatGPT, and Leonardo AI. So these each of these AI tools are trained in different data sets and informations. So I'm pretty sure the results are not same, but it's going to be a little similar or maybe completely different. So let's try this one prompt which I found on Instagram randomly, and let's see. But I personally wanted to try this prompt because it has an emoji. It's not like you're uploading an image and then you are expecting a result out of that image, but it's an emoji. Let's see if it takes this emoji or not. The emoji we are trying here is an avocado, where you can find this in WhatsApp. So I'm going to copy paste the prompt, and I'm going to include that prompt in the description below, as you can see for yourself. Uh, and we are generating, and I'm going to put the prompt in AI tools uh, simultaneously and see if how it works. So coming to Meta AI, Google Gemini, Chat GPT, and the last one is Leonardo AI. Okay, so coming to Adobe Firefly, it took a banana. So I actually tested this prompt before. The strawberry images, what you're seeing, the emoji which I entered was a blueberry, but instead it took strawberry. The avocado, now it took as a banana, and it did not change the result. It's pretty much the same. The first one, what I generated, the second one is again the same. So I'm not quite happy with the result. Not I don't get the hype behind Adobe Firefly. So let's see. Let's go for the next one, that is Meta AI. So yeah, instead of taking avocado, it clearly took peach, the peach emoji. However, it did do a good job on the background generation. That is, as you if you can see the prompt really well, you can see that the create a stylish hyper-realistic poster featuring a piece of ice resting on on a wet, dewy surface with condensation. Inside the ice cube, render a realistic 3D version of avocado instead to peach, seamlessly integrated with intricate details like scratches, air bubbles, uneven textures, and light refractions for maximum realism. Use a soft diffused lighting setup to enhance depth with a muted cool toned color palette, blues, whites, and subtleties for a sleek modern look. And the background should be a blurred kitchen scene with bokeh effects, adding atmosphere without distraction. So, however, the 50% of the prompt, it did a good job there on generating the kitchen in the background, and the bokeh effects are quite visible. There are dewy water spills, and the ice cubes are not, it's in a different shape. I wanted it to be perfect, and the shape I think must have been mentioned. uh, but yeah, let's see. Let's go for the next one. So coming to Google Gemini, it did a good job here. Let's let's see what it has for us. Okay, so so if you see the background, it has the kitchen setup and few bokeh lights there. It has scratches on the ice cube, and the ice cube is a perfect ice cube. The surface is wet and dewy, and there is a avocado inside the ice cube. So it's a good one. It's a good output. Let's go for ChatGPT. The result by ChatGPT is amazing because it has generated around 70 to 80% of the output with the dewy droplets, ice cube in a perfect shape, and avocado very much looking like an avocado. There are bokeh effects in the background, but the kitchen is completely blurred. I think the blurriness should have been mentioned in the prompt. The kitchen is not quite visible, but it's still a good image generation. And I wanted to test this in every free platforms. I didn't want to pay this, but I wanted to test if the free platform can generate a good output or not. So ChatGPT did a pretty good job here. Coming to Leonardo. it completely missed the mark. The It did not read the emoji. However, it did a good job in the background generation with the bouquet lights and kitchen. But the ice cube is just an ice cube, and it did not include a realistic 3D image of an emoji. But it clearly missed the mark. So we have a clear winner here. That is, first comes the ChatGPT, second is Google Gemini, uh, third comes Meta AI. At least it uh, did a good job on the background generation. Fourth comes the Adobe Firefly. It did not generate the background, so 4 marks. And last comes Leonardo AI. So yeah, that's it for today. And please do, if you like this one, please do like, share, and subscribe, and suggest me what content should I bring you next. And what do you guys think? Which one do you rate on a count of 1 to 10, and which comes first and which comes fifth? So please let me know in the comments below, and I will bring something fun experiment like this one in the next one. And we'll try more AI tools like Notebook LM and Claude by Anthropic, Perplexity, and we'll also learn how to write good prompts. Not just writing a good prompt, but how to write good context for the prompt. So see you in the next one, and please do take care of yourselves.